How to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, let us know what Meta AI in WhatsApp means. Meta AI is an advanced artificial intelligence technology developed by Meta Platforms. It allows you to interact with AI powered chat box directly within WhatsApp. The AI can help answer questions, provide information, and assist with customer support inquiries. In order to hide or remove Meta AI button on WhatsApp, you simply need to launch WhatsApp application on your device. Now, tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, look for the Chat section. In the chat section, you simply need to tap on it and scroll to the bottom of the screen. You will find the option of Show Meta AI button. Tap the toggle button to turn off the Meta AI button. Once you do this, the Meta AI button will immediately be hidden from your WhatsApp home screen. Now, if you wish to delete Meta AI chat conversations, simply long press on the chat in your list. Tap delete icon at top of the screen to remove the chat. With this, you will successfully remove Meta AI in WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.